hope you all are well. We'll start chapter 6, that is understanding shapes. In this chapter, we will discuss the pair of angles. What do you understand by a pair of angle? Pair of angle means the combination of two angles. Okay, so we have different type of pair of angles. First is adjacent angles. Now adjacent angles, what are adjacent angles? The angles which have a common vertex and a common arms between the other two arms. See, I am drawing a figure. See, now you can see the two angles are forming here. It is angle 1 and it is angle 2. Okay, both of these angles are known as a pair of angles. Why? Because they are forming they are adjacent angles. Why they are adjacent angles? I have told you the two angles which have common vertex. So the common vertex over here is B. Okay, and they have the common arm between the other arms. Okay, so the common arm is BD. Okay, so that is why it is called adjacent angles. And when the adjacent angle, when the pair of adjacent angle is there and their uncommon arms lie in a straight line. Okay, so it is A, O, B and we can write D over here. Okay, so now we have two adjacent angles. Why? Because it has a common vertex, that is O, and common arm, that is OD. So they are adjacent angles, but their common arms are lying in a straight line, that is AB. If the pair of adjacent angles are there and their uncommon arms are lying in a straight line, then it is known as linear pair. Okay, then it is known as linear pair. And in a linear pair, the sum of the two angles forming is equals to 180 degree. This is a very important concept. We have to use this concept in the questions ahead. Okay. Now the next type of angle is complementary angles. Now complementary angles are those angles. Complementary angles are those angles when the sum of two angles is equals to 90 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 degree, then they are called the complementary angles. Okay, and angle 1 is known as the complement, is called as complement of 2. Okay, and 2 is known as the complement of angle 1. Okay, so if the sum of the two angles is equals to 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. And if their sum is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. And in this case, angle 1 is called as supplement of angle 2 and angle 2 will be called as supplement of angle 1. Hope you have understood. Now the last pair, that is vertically opposite angle. Now what are vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles are those angles which are formed by the intersecting lines, by the intersection of two lines. So they have a common vertex, but they form to the opposite side of each other. So you can see 1 and 2. Okay, and there is 3 and 4. So you can see 3 and 4 are opposite to each other and they are forming by the intersecting lines. And angle 1 and 2 are also forming in the same way. So when vertically opposite angles are there, then the vertical opposite angles are equal to each other. See, vertically opposite, angle 1 will be equals to angle 2 and angle 3 will be equals to angle 4. So I hope you are clear with these pairs of angles. We have to learn these concepts because these concepts will be very useful in solving the questions ahead. Okay. Okay, my dear students, the question is find the complement of 72 degree. आपको मैंने बताया था टू एंगल्स हैं, एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2. इन दोनों का जो सम है दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री इन केस ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. So if one angle is given to us that is 72 degree, then the other will be 90 minus 72 degree. How? सपोज करो फर्स्ट एंगल है हमारा 72 डिग्री और दूसरा हमने लेट कर लिया x. अब वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है तो उनका सम कितना होगा 90 डिग्री. सो द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 72 डिग्री विल बी 90 डिग्री माइनस 72 डिग्री. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट इट ओवर हियर. द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 72 degree is 90 degree minus 72 degree, that is 18 degree. Okay. Similarly, the complement of 90 degree. What will be the complement of 90 degree? 90 degree minus 90 degree. That will be 0 degree. आपको पता है दो एंगल्स का सम का क्या होता है कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का 90. अगर एक उसमें से 90 है तो डेफिनेटली दूसरा क्या होगा 0 degree. Okay. So the next question is find the supplement of 1 to 1. Okay. Now we have to find out the supplement of 1 to 1. Similarly, we will suppose one angle is equals to 121 and the sum of these two angles will be equals to 180 degree because we are talking about supplement. Okay. So angle 1 is given to us that is 120 degree और 2 को हम लेट कर लेते हैं x लेट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. So it will be x is equals to 180 degree minus 1 to 1. So we can write this supplement of 1 to 1 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 1 to 1 and that is equals to 59 degree. Similarly, this supplement of 92 degree is 180 degree minus 92 degree, that will be 88 degree. Okay, hope you have understood. We are moving to the next question now. The next question is find the measure of other angles if angle 1 is equals to 50. Now you can see two intersecting lines are there and they are forming some pairs of angles. Now what we are given with? We are given with angle 1 is equals to 50 degree. So that means this angle is equals to 50 degree. Now I have told you they are forming an X figure. X figure form हो रहा है तो definitely these angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why? Because they are forming vertically opposite angles. So angle, why? Because vertically opposite angles are these. Okay. So angle 2. Therefore angle 2 is equals to 50 degree. Okay. Now we have to find out angle 3. So can you see over here? These are forming a linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 3. They have a common arm and they have a common vertex. So so I have to write it like this. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming linear pair. And I have told you the sum of the two angles which are forming linear pair is 180 degree. So angle 1 is given to us that is 50 degree and angle 3 will be like this only. So that is equals to, now we have to find out angle 3. So angle 3 will be equals to 180 degree. 50 यहाँ पर प्लस हो रहा है बेटा, इधर जाके माइनस होगा. So angle 3 is equals to 130 degree. Okay. Now you get the value of angle 3. So now angle 3 is 130 degree. And you can see 3 and 4 are also equal. Why? Because they are forming vertically opposite angle. Because they are vertically opposite to each other. Okay. So they are equal. Hence, angle 4 is equals to 130 degree. Find the value of x. In this figure, you can see two angles are given to you and these are vertically opposite angles. Why? Because they are forming by the intersecting lines and they are forming x figure. So we can write it as, so these are both are equal. So we can write it as 3x minus 20 degree is equals to 2x plus 30 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay. So we have to find out the value of x. So we will keep x on one side. 3x 2x यहाँ पर प्लस का है तो इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो दैट बिकम्स माइनस 3x minus 2x. So we have 30 over here. और अब इस 20 डिग्री को हमने राइट हैंड साइड पर शिफ्ट करना है. यहाँ पर 20 जो है वो माइनस का है तो इधर जाकर क्या होगा प्लस. So that is 3x minus 2x is x and that 30 plus 20 is 50 degree. Hence x is equals to 50 degree. Hope this is clear to you. The next figure is this and you can see two angles which are forming a linear pair. They are given to us and we have to find out the value of x in these both angles. Okay, so we can say as these are forming linear pair, hence their sum is equals to 180 degree. So we can write it as 3x minus 10 degree plus 2x minus 20 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming linear pair. We must write the reason of writing this. Okay, so 3x, now we have to add the like terms. Okay, we have to keep them together. 3x plus 2x minus 10 degree minus 20 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now we have to add these two. 3x plus 2x, that is 5x minus minus plus and there will be common sign. So 10 plus 20 is 30 and that is equals to 180 degree. We will keep 5x here only because we have to find out the value of x and we will take 30 to the other side. Here it was minus, so it will get plus over here. So 5x is equals to 210. So the x is equals to 210 by 5. 5 was multiplying over here. So इधर जाके वो क्या होगा? वो इधर जाके हो जाएगा divide. So it will be 5 4s are 20 and 5 2s are 10. Hence, therefore, x is equals to 42 degree. Hope you have understood. In both these examples, in one figure we were having vertically opposite angles and in the other one we have linear pair. The question is find the magnitude of an angle which is 1 by 4 of its complement. So let the angle, एक ऐसा angle find out करना है जो अपने complement का 1 by 4 है. So let the angle, required angle be x. Okay, and what will be its complement? Its complement will be 90 minus x. क्योंकि इन दोनों का जो सम है वो क्या है 90 डिग्री है बिकॉज वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स हैं तो उसका जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा वो होगा 90 माइनस दैट पर्टिकुलर एंगल दैट इज x. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन the measure of the angle that is x is equals to 1 by 4th of its complement that is 90 minus x. So it will be 4 यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा है इधर जाके क्या होगा मल्टीप्लाई. So that is 4x is equals to 90 minus x. We have to find out the value of x. So we will keep x terms together on the same side. So it will be 4x. यहाँ पर x क्या हो रहा है माइनस इधर जाके क्या होगा प्लस. So we are left with 90 on the other side only. So 4x plus x that is 5x and 5x is equals to 90. Here we have to find out the value of x and we have 5 in the multiplication. So we have to keep x only here and this 5 will go in division. So it will be 18. So x is equals to 18 degree. So we have to write down an answer statement over here. Therefore, the required angle is 18 degree. Hope you are clear with this. Next question. An angle is equals to its complement. Find its measure. So we have an angle which is equals to its complement. So let the angle be x. So उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट विल बी आपको पता है क्या होगा दैट इज 90 डिग्री माइनस दैट पर्टिकुलर एंगल दैट इज 90 माइनस x. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन the required angle is equal to its complement that is 90 minus x. ये दोनों क्या हैं इक्वल हैं. So we have to find out the value of x. x यहाँ पर रहेगा. अब यहाँ पर x माइनस है राइट हैंड साइड पे माइनस हो रहा है इधर शिफ्ट करना है तो क्या होगा साइन चेंज होगा दैट विल बिकम प्लस. So x plus x is 2x is equals to 90 degree. Now we have to find out the value of x. So we will keep x only and 2 will go in division. So it will be 45 degree. So the x is equals to 45 degree. Hope you are clear with the concept of this particular assignment. I'll send the solution of this assignment. You have to copy those and you have to practice all the left questions by yourself. Okay, good luck.